in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Minea for researching products for dropshipping and how you can use this app. Now, when you would come here to Minea, the one thing that I really like is that they got free plan that you can test it out. And if you want to actually get it and you would like to upgrade for starter or premium, you're gonna have a link down below in the description, and you're gonna have also discount code. So if you can use the discount code, you're gonna get also discount for Minea with the link down below in the description. Now let's start first on how we can use it and what you can do with it. So when you would come here to Minea, you're gonna have a dashboard. So here you're gonna have always the top 10 winning products for the day, and like what are the products right now that you can check out. This is like the Facebook's ads copy. You see the comments, you see the engagement. So this is where you're gonna find always in a dashboard. And always what you can do, what I like, is that you can play the ad, and what you can do is you can open the site zoberloco.com, and you can check it out, like what kind of thing they are selling, how their whole site is designed. So let's say that you're going to be in these kind of products. You can like, okay, maybe I can get it from AliExpress from or somewhere and I can sell it too. You're going to check how the ad looks like, and this ad looks pretty good. So you can even copy it and then get inspiration from it. And you see the shares here, the likes, then also the love, the story, wow. Then you're going to see the gender right here and audience country, so you can target it too. And this is about the dashboard. Then you can click here and see the product. So this is the product they are targeting with this ad. And you can also see the post here. So I see right here, and I'm going to click it and the post should load for me. Yep, this is it. Look at this. So this is the post. And you even see these questions that, okay, this is performing quite well. So possibly you can do it too, right? And you can always find and analyze stuff like that. So you can add it to your list if you want to. So if you want to have that your specification are products for babies, you can just create a list of baby and just have it right here. Now, when you can click here, you can even click your ads from same advertiser and see those too. And you see right here that these ads, they are running too. And that's about it. Now, this is about the dashboard. When you're going to click here again, here you're going to have option that you're going to find even for like getting more credits. And then you're going to have adspy here. So you're going to find the Facebook ads. So here would be the Facebook ads that are right now popular, or you can even search here. So let's say we're going to have GPS. And you see right here that all the ads for GPS, and what you can do, you can have like a scene date, countries, language, e-com platform, like if you want to have a Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, or you can even change the language here to, let's say, Chinese, Czech, Danish, French, German, and even change the countries right here. So all of that you can change. And you can click here advanced, and you can have like when was it first seen, last seen, creation date, all of that you can change right here. So if it's for male, female, and you can just choose like, let's say just United States here. United States, let's say, and right here I see like, okay, first rated GPS dog fence, and I see the ads copy here, I see the likes, I see the comments, I see the shares, and all of that I can see right here. I can check how it looks like. So that's pretty good. And that's about the adspy. And then you can do the same thing for Pinterest and the same thing for TikTok. Like the whole process is the same. It's like not much different, right? So you're gonna come here and you're gonna have search text by keywords, and then you're gonna see all these Pinterest ads. So let's say I'm going to write here keto, and I think I just spent all my plans here. So here you're going to write in same style as a Facebook or TikTok ads. Now then you're going to have the shop's business plan, like the winning product success radar, and all of these are behind paywall, so you have to actually upgrade. I personally use it for free, you know, when I would just want to check Facebook ads. Me personally, what I do is that I just like to research stuff on TikTok by itself. Is that I really like Minea if you want to have it for starting out, that it's going to save your time. But still, to be honest, yes, with the discount it's good, but do you need it? I don't know. One of the best things you can learn by yourself is to figure it out how it works for you with, let's say, TikTok ads. Let's say you're going to research it by yourself, that these tools are okay-ish, but you can use even Temu, look at this, for, let's say, this product right here. So you're going to research right here, you're going to come and you're going to have bestsellers or new arrivals. And you're going to check some things that you would like to, okay, I can probably market it. You're going to search for it on AliExpress. You're going to use photos from Temu. And then you're going to search the product on TikTok by itself. Or Facebook ad, where you're going to search for it on the Facebook marketplace. Right? So that's how it's possible to be done. And that's what I personally do. And that's what I like to do. Rather than just paying a lot of money for Minea. If you want to, you can of course do it. But yeah, maybe like the starter is going to be a lot of money for starting out. Like if I would be starting out right now with Shopify, yes, you're gonna have it the €1 for 3 months, but you know, paying for €49 that you can research it by yourself, yes, it's going to take a little bit more time, but still it's possible to win. So my recommendation, come to Temu, then you're gonna have new arrivals right here, then you're gonna have the products that you can check out, and let's say I'm gonna have, okay, the silicone squeezer, and you want to, this looks really good. This would be really great to our shower, to be honest. And then what you can do is you can search for these pictures, search image with Google, look at this AliExpress. Yeah, it's pretty expensive, so I would just try to find the same product. Okay, it's $8.23. okay, this is much better. And I would just try to research the store with the positive feedback, with the lot of reviews, good reviews for the product. And then I would try to find the copy on TikTok, the ad copy, or copy for Facebook. And what I would do, I would order the product and I would record videos about it, high quality videos on how it actually works, and even on YouTube, let's say, or just YouTube shorts, and I will start posting about the specific products. Or what you can do is to have just a specified store for cleaning stuff, for, I don't know, windows or glasses, and you can sell those. So that's like strategy. There are like a million ways how we can do it. The best way how we can do is start, learn how to design a site and all of that, and that's how we're gonna win. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.